In this video, I will show how to remove background image in Microsoft Word. So insert your image. Now, here is the option remove background. Click on it. So area will be red area will be selected. Just click on keep changes. Still you need to remove this color. So again click here and select this pen, red pen, to remove the area. Like this. If you want to keep any area, so select this green. So this area will be available. To remove, again click here. We need to keep this area. Now keep changes. So this is the way you can remove background from image in Word. Thanks for watching.